Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a record type, how to create a global pick list, and how to use it with field dependencies in Salesforce. So first, I will create a global pick list. In quick find box, type pick list and select pick list value set. Click on new. Enter the label name as department. Now I will enter the values sales, marketing, finance and support. Scroll down. Here we have two checkboxes. The first one displays values in alphabetical order and the second one sets the first value as default. Currently I am enabling the alphabetical order option. Just click on save. Scroll down. Now global pick list is created successfully. Now I will create a custom pick list field on the opportunity object using the global pick list. Click on Object Manager, type Opportunity, select Opportunity Object, click Fields and Relationships, click on New, scroll down, select the data type pick list, click on Next, give the label name as Department. Here choose Department Global Pick List that I have created before. Click on Next, enable visible checkbox for all the profiles. Just click on Next and click on Save. Now I will create a dependent pick list. Again click on New, select pick list data type, click on Next, give the label name as subdepartment. Now I will choose enter values. Here I will add all the values in a single pick list. Scroll down, click on Next, enable checkbox for all the profiles, click on Next and click on Save. Just click on this field dependencies, click on new and choose controlling field, department and dependent field, select subdepartment. So in this way I will map the values and click on continue. In finance select planning and accounts and click on include values. In marketing select social media and digital, include values. In sales department, select field and enterprise sales, include values. In support department, select technical support and customer support. Click on include values and click on save. So the dependency is created successfully. Now I will create a record type for opportunity. Just click on record type, click on new, click here to create a sales process. So first understand what is sales process. So sales process controls which stage values are available for an opportunity record type. So click here, click on new, give the sales process name, sales opportunity process and click on save and click on save again. Click on object manager, type opportunity, select opportunity. Again, click on record types. Now click on new. Give the record type label name as sales opportunity. Now scroll down. Click on next. Select the sales process, sales opportunity process. Scroll down. Click on next and select the page layout. Select opportunity layout and click on save. Now click on edit department. Here disable support and finance. Just click on save. Now I will create another record type. Click on record type. Click on new. Give the record type label name as support opportunity. Select the sales process, sales opportunity process. Enable active checkbox. Enable make available checkbox. Click on next. Follow the same steps. Select the layout, opportunity layout. Scroll down. Click on save. Click on edit. Here disable marketing and sales and just click on save. Now I will test this functionality. Click on app launcher, search sales, open in new tab. Click on opportunity, click on new. Here you can see the record type, sales opportunity and support opportunity. Select sales opportunity record type and click on next. Here you can see the department and sub-department. When I select sales department, so the sub-department shows only sales related value, field and enterprise sales. Now, if I will change the department marketing, so sub-department values change automatically. As you can see that based on the department selection, the sub-department values are filtered dynamically. Now I will select support opportunity. Record type. Click on next. Scroll down. Like I select the department support. So it is showing only support related picklist values. So in this way, we can create a record type, global picklist and field dependency in Salesforce with live implementation. Thank you so much.